Welcome back. If you're a professional dreaming of studying in New Zealand, this video is your complete roadmap. First, check if you meet the minimum eligibility. A recognized degree and relevant work experience are essential. Gather all academic transcripts, degree certificates, and official work experience letters for your application. All documents must be scanned or copied clearly. Originals may be required for verification later in the process. Fill out your New Zealand student visa application form online, ensuring every detail is accurate and up to date. Financial proof is key. You need recent bank statements showing you can cover tuition, living expenses, and travel costs. Obtain your official acceptance letter from a recognized New Zealand institution before you submit your visa application. Mark important deadlines. Most institutions and visa offices have strict application and processing timelines. Check official sources regularly for the latest updates to immigration policies and application deadlines. Discuss study intentions with your employer. Arrange your leave or flexible work options well in advance. Maintain a checklist for all application steps, tracking progress and setting reminders for every requirement. Connect with peers or alumni who have studied in New Zealand to gain insights and valuable advice. Balance current work with study preparation. Set realistic weekly goals and use digital tools for better planning. Research living options, student support, and local communities in New Zealand to ensure a smooth transition. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more immigration insights tailored for professionals just like you.